as the saying goes. If you want to live long, then you have to clean your colon. This is Steve, working on stressed office environment, working overtime. His health has been compromised due to his stressful job. Poor eating habit, emotional, or stress eating. Can lead to several colon diseases, or even cancer. Steve went to his doctor for medical examination. And these are the results. His colon is infected by worms, mucoid plaque, and hardened stool. Steve's lifestyle before was very active. He went to the gym and even made time to play. Well, it's not too late. The solution? Fiberheatlh, an all-natural fiber intake, containing probiotic strains and supports natural intestinal ecology.